Hey girl, hey, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the latest from Chocolate Kinks and Curls. It is the Terra Black Clay and Maqui Berry Clay Wash. That's a tongue twister. Now, this is a limited edition clay wash. So depending on when you're watching this video, it may or may not still be available on their website. But Chocolate Kinks and Curls is amazing for their clay washes. So even if you cannot find this one, you may still be able to find something that you like. I've already reviewed some on the channel. So if you are interested, keep on watching. But before we get into it, do me a favor. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Now, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so let's get into this. Let's get this party started. Now, I recently reviewed the Cocoa Creme Clay Wash from Chocolate Kinks and Curls. That was my first time ever using anything from the brand and I absolutely loved it. So when they came out with this one, I told myself I had to get it. I just did not get it on time. This is what the container looks like. This one has a purple label. Every single clay wash has a different label. It says here that it's meant to detoxify, moisturize, and strengthen your hair. And just like the other ones, it says that it is meant to remove dirt and toxins, but it leaves your hair so soft that you're not sure that you're going to leave a conditioner afterwards. I mean, I can definitely testify to that. If it's anything like the Cocoa Creme Clay Wash, I know that I won't need a conditioner afterwards. Now, it says that with very little effort, the Terra Black Clay and Maqui Berry Clay Wash acts as a powerful cleanser and detoxifier, eliminating impurities and product buildup while nourishing, strengthening, conditioning, and stimulating hair growth. And that's the reason why I'm using this today, because last time, I think you guys saw that video. If not, it will be in the description box for you. I did the color on my hair, but what I did not realize is that the color is so heavy. After I removed it, I should have used a clarifying shampoo or maybe a clay wash. I did not do that. I only used a moisturizing shampoo, so it did not do a good job at removing all the buildup from my hair. So after I went and styled my hair was not having it at all. It did not react well to my styler. So that's a good way to put that to the test. As far as the instructions, it has two different types of instructions. One is for a quick but powerful cleanse. It says to apply it to wet hair. For even distribution, apply it in sections and gently massage the clay onto your scalp and smooth onto your hair strands. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. We recommend deep conditioning afterwards. So if you just want a quick wash, I guess like you don't need to leave it on your hair. Just apply it and then rinse it out. But make sure you use a deep conditioning treatment because it does recommend that here. Now the second option, which is what I'm going to do, it's the detoxifying option. It says to apply it to dry or damp hair. Let the clay sit for 15 to 20 minutes with or without a shower cap, rinsing thoroughly with warm water. And also it is recommended to use a deep conditioning treatment afterwards. So I am going to go with option number 2. As far as the ingredients, we already know the star ingredient is the black Terra clay, Terra Black Clay, and the Maqui Berry. What else do we need to know here? The first ingredient is water. Then we have the Maqui Berry extract. Then we have Mbuna extract. Not sure what that is, but I'll look it up. We have calendula extract, marshmallow extract, the Terra Black Clay, African Kumba butter, etc., etc. Everything is going to be on the screen for you. This is what the clay looks like. I love the smell. Actually smells like candy or maybe smoothie. I don't know. It smells very good. And it is very, very smooth. All right, so I am going to apply this to my hair. Last time when I applied it, my hair was wet when I did the Cocoa Creme Clay Wash. So now I am going to go with applying it on dry hair and see if there's a difference. What I'll do is do a quick sweep all over my hair first, and then I'm going to go back and just go into sections just to make sure that every single strand of hair is saturated, which is what I like to do when I am applying product to my hair. Okay, so as I am applying this to my hair, let's talk a little bit about the featured ingredients of this clay wash. The first one is the Terra Black Clay. This one is known as a rejuvenator. It is a detox that's used to absorb toxins and remove impurities. It also is a gentle cleanser that eliminates oiliness, exfoliates the scalp, and contains anti-inflammatory properties. And like I said, my hair was is super dry. I don't think if I showed you very well, my hair is super dry and it has a lot of buildup. So I'm hoping this is going to remove all the buildup and actually allow my hair to actually respond better to the styler when it's time for me to style my hair. And I'm going to be using, I also purchased the custard because they came out with a custard as well. So it's two products. It's the clay wash and the custard. So I'm going to be using that as well to style my hair. And I think this is going to be a second video. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel if you want to make sure you see that one. And also so you don't miss out on any future upload as well, because I do have a lot of natural hair videos on the channel, and I'm planning on coming out with another series very soon. So you guys stay tuned for that. Just subscribe and turn on your notifications. Right now, I can already feel my hair softening up just by the little quick sweep that I did with this thing. So to me, that's just super amazing. Featured ingredient is the Maqui berry. This one is known as the superfruit. It improves the appearance of the hair, but also the density and its thickness. It also removes toxin and impurities, enhances the shine, and promotes hair growth. It kind of feels like I'm just applying a deep conditioning treatment on my hair, so makes it very easy. And the smoothness, it's like super duper smooth. I love it. Now the third ingredient that we have here is the African Kumba butter. This is my first time ever seeing those ingredients, by the way. It is known as the super butter or the African nutmeg. It aids in hair growth, strengthens and conditions the hair. It has anti-inflammatory properties, antifungal properties, but also restores dry scalp. And this is very easy to apply onto the hair as well, which is one thing I love about the Chocolate Kinks and Kurls clay washes. Super easy. You don't need to do a whole lot. Even now, I don't feel like I need to just go into sections anymore, because looking into the mirror, I can see that my hair is already well saturated with the product. Of course, I'm going to make sure that I do everything that I can so that I don't miss any strands, but this is very easy to apply. And our last ingredient here is the Nbunu leaves. This one is a gentle cleanser for the hair and the scalp. It also conditions the hair, strengthens. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. It is an emollient and also contains antimicrobial properties. That one was a hard one for me to say. I'm just making sure I'm getting this into my scalp. As it says, make sure you massage it onto your scalp. So I'm making sure I'm doing that. Because whenever I use a clay wash, I never use a shampoo. It never says that you need to. I know some people do, but you really don't need to use a shampoo because the clay wash is actually a cleanser. It always amazes me when I'm using their clay washes. My hair always feels super good, but whenever I'm using any other clay wash from any other brand, it doesn't feel the same. So I wonder what they do different. Of course, every company has their own formula, but I really love the formula that Chocolate Kinks and Kurls uses, because your hair is so soft. Like my hair, I did not wet my hair whatsoever, but my hair feels so soft already. And I can guarantee you, if I try to detangle my hair right now, it's going to be fine. I'm going to show you guys. Do you see this? You have got to love this. Right now, I feel like all my hair has the product in there, even my sides, my shaved sides. So I am going to leave my hair as is. I am going to just leave it for about 20 minutes. I'm going to do the maximum 20 minutes. No plastic cap or anything. So far, I definitely like what I'm feeling. I like what I see. I can tell that the product is actually working. I love the way that my hair feels so soft. Again, this is a very good quality that every clay wash from Chocolate Kinks and Kurls has. So even if that particular product is not available when you guys watch this, if you've never used Chocolate Kinks and Kurls before, I highly recommend that you guys look into them, because clay washes are a very good thing to do on natural hair whenever you want to detoxify your hair, remove impurities. Very good option. So definitely give them a try. Ever since I started using this, I have not been mixing my own clay washes at all, because what's the need? I really don't see the need to do that. But yeah, I am going to sit under, well, not sit under a dryer. I don't need a dryer. I'm just going to do a few things, just let this sit on my hair for 20 minutes. So I will see you guys shortly. All right, guys, so it's been 20 minutes. So we're going to take a look at the hair. So this is what I'm working with right now, and my hair feels so soft. I'm going to go ahead and just detangle my hair right now before I even apply the dip conditioner, and I won't have to worry about it. I mean, look how easy. I mean, I already did this one, but look how easy this is just running through my hair. And I think I got it in my eye. All right, so my hair is all detangled now, and that was pretty easy. I will have the link for this brush for you, as well as the discount code if you guys want to get this. You guys know I love this thing. I am going to hop in the shower so I can rinse this thing out and also dip condition my hair. I am going to be using the aloe colada dip conditioning treatment. I've already reviewed that last time that I did a video with Chocolate Kinks and Curls, so I will have that link for you guys as well in the description box and also in the cards up here if you want to check that out. Then once I'm done, I will come back on camera and show you guys what my hair looks like and give you my final thoughts. So I will see you guys in just a few seconds. Alrighty guys, so my hair is all rinsed out and I took the time to dip condition my hair. Like I said, I used the Pina Colada, not Pina Colada, but the Aloe Colada dip conditioner. I guess I want to drink, but I don't even drink Pina Colada, so I don't know where this came from. Anyway, so I'm definitely loving the results. My hair feels soft. It does feel cleansed. My scalp feels amazing. And what I really like about the product is the fact that as soon as I applied it to my hair instantly started softening up. I did not add any water whatsoever. It's easy application, took no time whatsoever. And I was able to detangle with the product in my hair. Again, no water added whatsoever. To me, that's amazing. So definitely loving it. I am going to style my hair using the styling custard, but this is going to be another video, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel and also turn on those notifications so you can know when I drop this video, which will be in a few days, by the way. Now let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you were able to put your hands on this clay wash, or if you've ever used anything from Chocolate Kinks and Curls. If not, I definitely suggest that you do give them a try because they are absolutely amazing, and I feel like adding clay to your regimen is definitely a plus. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, any video suggestions, or you just want to say hi, leave me a comment down below. And thank you for hanging out with me today. And if you want to see more from me in the meantime, I will have some suggestions for you on the screen. Be sure to check them out, and I will see you guys in the next one.